Welcome to East Central Tower, Box Hill. The whole apartment here is designed by Fender Architect, one of the most famous in the world. And of course, we're gonna have the best facilities in Melbourne. First, I'm gonna show you the huge wine store here, where you can store your own wine here, according to your own want. And next, we're gonna see the cocktail lounge here. It's a very fancy one, where you can hold your small gathering and small functions here. And next will be the fancy dining hall. The apartment here also have the library, one of the most comfortable place where you can find peace and knowledge with the beautiful view outside.